now wondering, is there something like an undo button for browsers where you accidentally close out one tab and then you get it back? Okay, I'm here to give you a good news. There's actually an undo button for browsers as well. Hello, welcome back to Convivial Tech. In this video, I want to show you how to recover lost, accidentally closed tabs. I don't know if you've been in that situation whereby you are browsing and you have so many tabs opened. Like, who doesn't have so many tabs opened when you are browsing or doing your research? You tend to open a lot of tabs and then you want to click on one tab because you have so many opened at once, and accidentally you closed the right one, and then you have to start heading over to your tab browser history to find the tab you just closed. And if you are kind of unfortunate at that point, it may be at the bottom, and at this point you are now wondering, is there something like an undo button for browsers where you accidentally close out one tab and then you get it back? Okay, I'm here to give you a good news. There's actually an undo button for browsers as well. Just like when you are typing on Microsoft Word or some other things and you have to do Ctrl Z to redo, undo, and all those stuff, you can actually do it on your browser. Now I'll go ahead and open several tabs. I'll open this, I'll open this as well, I'll open this, I'll still go ahead and open this, and then what else? Okay, let me type something else. Okay, need to last lights, current PC, ChatGPT, and what else? Google, okay, GeForce, okay, GTA 6. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, let's make it 10. I have 10. I want to make it 10 tabs. Okay. Okay, I'll use this to make it 10 tabs actually functional. Now I have 10 tabs that are open on my PC, and these are the tabs. Now let's assume I'm working with all of them, and you know when you've opened like 15, 20, 30 tabs and they are now so close by, they are so close by that you can try to click on one and you accidentally click close on another one. Okay, let me see if I can achieve that. Okay, I think I'm getting close. Okay, so something like this, I'm here and I'm trying to, okay, not exactly like this, but I believe you understand what I'm driving at. You might want to click on this, and instead of clicking on this, you accidentally click on this, and maybe somewhere around here you accidentally click on this, you click on this, and now you've lost some of your tabs. Now at this point, you don't have to go to your browser history and start looking for the ones you've closed and all that. There's no need for that. If you are a Windows user, just hold your Control Shift T and then you recover it. Now, if you've closed as many tabs as you've closed, you can repeat the process over and over again till you recover virtually everything you've closed. And there's another trick to this. If sometimes even a browser, even if when you completely closed your browser and then you start doing this trick, it's you. And let's say you were browsing on ChatGPT and you closed it, maybe you were done working for that period, and then you are, after some hours or thereabouts, you now reopened your browser and you are doing something else. Let's say you are trying to binge on YouTube, or trying to check something on TikTok or something else, or maybe do your research on that same browser. Once you hold your Control Shift T to undo, it can recover the last tab you opened the last time you opened your browser, even while you are on a new browser. Okay, I opened ChatGPT. I was working with it earlier, so let me start doing my Control Shift T. Just hold your Control Shift, then keep pressing T. Now these are the tabs I opened. Now the ChatGPT I was working with earlier, this is it. So these ones were on a browser I opened earlier before I opened the browser again. So the same thing, I believe it works on several browsers. I've tried it on Microsoft Edge. It works. Okay, let's say this, and YouTube for this, Yahoo Mail for this, then what else? Web Store, Chrome Web Store. Okay, let's say we close out this, we do something else. The first year football team, I don't know what this is, but okay, I'll still close out this. Now hold your Control Shift T. So with your Control Shift T, you will get to recover even browsers even tabs you closed some weeks ago and all those stuff. This was not part of what we opened today, right? So it has started recovering everything. If I start deleting more and then redoing the whole thing, it starts giving me back everything. So the more I do it, the more I get back everything I've done on my browser. So if you accidentally close, just do your Control Shift T. And if you are if you are a Mac user, your own key control combination is your CMD plus your Shift and then your T. So CMD, Shift and T gives you the same thing on Windows as Control Shift T. So this is how to retrieve all accidentally closed tabs on your PC. I hope you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing on this video to get more information, more educative videos on how to make your PC and your life better using technology. Thank you. See you in another video. Goodbye.